Stand up, Myrna.
Rep po.
Ha?
Rep.
Rep? By when?
By next week. Kasi naghihintay na lang po ako ng pay.
Naghihintay ka na ng pain. But what if those pains don't come?
Naglalatag pa rin naman po ako.
Right. You understand what you're saying? How many directs is rep?
5.
5. Okay. How many retail?
5,000.
5,000. And you're saying next week. When you say next week, is there a day?
Saturday.
By Saturday next week. Is your apply? You taking this down?
Yes, applied.
Pero what do you think?
Yes, kaya.
Ha? Totoo? You believe in Berna?
Are you sure? I believe her, but are you sure?
I'm sure.
How sure are you?
Berna, I want you to understand why I'm asking her applying. Because her applying has goals. And if he's gonna guide you, he's gonna spend time with you. Ibig sabihin, he can't spend time with another person that he can be developing. So I'm asking, are you together in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sige.
Don.